How to add alt text to photos in Threads. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over and then click first on this plus icon and then click on this album icon that we have right there. Now from in there, just select the photo that you want to upload. For this one, I'll just choosing here our logo. So I have in here my logo, and on your picture, you can see this alt option. So head over and click on that, and then just input right here the alt text that you want to add. So I'll just put in here the text of logo and click on done, and it will be added right there on your alt text. So when you click on this particular logo or this particular picture, it will appear on the alt text. So let's try posting this right there. So once you have posted it, the alt text will appear when a user has actually clicked the photo that you have opened, and you can see the alt text from there. So that's how you add alt text to photos in Threads. Hope you helped.